Okay, so you're going to tell us where is the lesion, all right? And tell us what is the Paris, what is the Japanese classification, what is the type of lesion? जब दिखाई देता है हाँ बोलो नहीं है तो नहीं है ये क्या है भैया हाँ ये क्या है क्या It's looking brown. So there's a focal area of brown. Now is it an inlet patch? Is it an angioectasia? Is it an early squamous cell? I showed you those 3 images. उसमें से कहीं है? No, this doesn't look like ectopic to me. Are you showing gastric epithelium here? So just give a little zoom करो उसको. Near focus डालो. Near focus. Yeah. Okay, it's not a little patch. What do you think? It looks suspicious, okay. Why don't you wash that a little and get a little more sort of on fuss? See, the interesting thing is got a nice brown area. So focal lesion here. There are, I think, 2 different kinds. There's a lot of muck over. See, once you have an area formation, then you're worried. Little more, can you get it this way, onto it, this way. On first, yeah. Yeah, that's good. That's good. A lot of some muck sitting on it. Huh? Just suck a little as you're doing. More than one area. The one on this side also? On this side?
This side also.
Let me have a look. Okay. No, see what is happening is there's something on it. And that is why we are getting, see, this thing has to get some kind of, huh? Leucol sided, but there's something sitting on it. See this? See this kind of like a membrane? Can you see that?
Yeah. Sloughed out.
Yeah, I think that is what is giving, because see what it looks like, the IPCLs are not sinister looking at all. No, maybe more inflammatory than anything else. No, these are not looking neoplastic to me. No. I think we're getting that focal thing because this, some kind of membrane thing is sitting on that. See this? And there are many such areas. See this? Can you see that thing? And where it has given way, it looks a little brown. Otherwise, it's not. Sister, just hold this, sister.
Glucose above top of it as it.
See, these IPCs are not abnormal. What, Chirag, you agree?
Agree, sir.
I think we are getting a false thing.
Yeah, probably denuded.
So little thoda denuded hai, and that is why we are getting this. See, this is again the same thing.
Maximum B1.
No, no, not even B1.
Sorry, A.
This is A.
This is A. Maximum A. Looks normal.
This looks normal to me.
Even not A.
Now, you want to biopsy it, fine, but I personally think that it will.
No, no, there is no need. It is not required. It was just picked up on white light, so.
No, I think it's because of this reason. I would say I think it's for some reason why he's got so much of exudate there, I don't know. Anything in the here in this? Okay, then I can show them where is the lesion. Enter mein hai kahan? Okay. Any guesses what this is? There's something here.
Pancreatic cyst. White.
You suspect a pancreas. Okay. What else? Can be something else as well.
Lipoma.
Because there is no umbilication, so
There is no umbilication.
just like
We can just pillow some look for.
Now, see, why is Chirag right in calling it subepithelial? It's not only normal, you find there's no line of demarcation. It looks the same. Line of demarcation tells you it's a mucosal lesion. So you're not seeing that. So this is subepithelial. I would agree with Chirag on that. And what it is a small lipoma or something else, we don't know, but you could have a look on
Use.
All right, now see the patterns are very well seen here.
Enter.
Right? Somewhere here within those the vessels that you see.
Cushing's. These Cushing's now.
Okay.
Classical textbook picture of Cushing's.
What? Drug induced or
Drug induced.
primary? See, there is some kind of little different thing here. Color is a little different. Yeah, but it's fairly regular. Regular, quite regular. There's nothing wrong with that. Only thing, anything anyone can find out what is abnormal here? This. Excellent, very good, excellent. And that is supposed to be a feature of H. pylori gastropathy. H. pylori gastropathy. See,
absence of connect.
I'll show you a thing. Absence of collecting venules when you have a background of gastropathy is supposed to be reasonably specific for H. pylori gastropathy. What are the other things for H. pylori gastropathy anyone? Do you think he's got now just by white light endoscopy? Can you say that it is H. pylori? Huh?
Nodal gastropathy.
Yeah. First thing is when you look at it, you find that the folds are stopping here, not going up to here. Normally the folds go up to there, right? Second, as Pratin said, that there may be nodularity, there may be areas of redness, right? Then when you put this, you have this formation of what they call area gastricae in the old literature, or the sulci formation. See this? Right? They're forming a little clumps of islets. That is one of the features. And then there is, what is the feature of atrophy? So one, you will find that there will be a demarcation between the antrum and body, or depending how much there is. All right? Or you may find, when you do this, you may find that there is not. See this? Not much really, atrophy. There's not too much of atrophy. There is just maybe some H. pylori gastropathy, but I can't find too much of atrophy here, at least from whatever I see. But esophagus, I think, is not. Which one?
In atrophic. H. pylori related.
I think I may have some slides to show you. Okay, so what are you doing next? No, you're showing them US on this, or what do you want to do?
No, you can continue.